Difference of sets for overlapping sets. So if we have to find A difference B not equal to B difference A for overlapping sets, if we have A set which is 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8, and the B set as members 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So here in set A and B, 4, 6 and 8 in both the sets are the overlapping members. So for A difference B, if we remove these overlapping sets from A, the remaining members are 2 and 3. And for B difference A, if we remove the overlapping members, the remaining members will be 10, 12 and 14. For A difference B, we only write the remaining members of A set only, and for B difference A, we write only the members which are the remaining members of only B. The overlapping elements are 4, 6 and 8. Now we show A difference B and B difference A through Venn diagram. Through Venn diagram, A difference B, the A set and the B set. So the overlapping region of these two sets is this one. So we can write the overlapping members here, 4, 6 and 8. The only members of A are 2 and 3, and for B are 10, 12 and 14. So how can we show the A difference B? The members which are the members of A difference B are 2 and 3. So we shade this region only, that is this one. This region shows A difference B. I may write here shaded region represent A difference B, which is equal to 2 and 3. So in this way we show A difference B through Venn diagram. Now for B difference A. For B difference A, the A set and the B set, the A set and B set has this region, which is overlapping region, the members of overlapping elements are 4, 6 and 8, and the remaining members of A are 2, 3, and the B set has remaining members 10, 12 and 14. So B minus or B difference A, how we show? So make it visible, the B difference A, we only shade the members of B difference A, that are 10, 12 and 14. So these are the members. The shaded region show the B difference A. We may write here, shaded region represent B minus A, which is equal to 10, 12 and 14. So in this way we find the A difference B and B difference A. And one thing very important here, that A difference B is not equals to B difference A. In this way we find the overlapping sets through Venn diagram.